MT-50C unbox installation and debugging video. The machine is packed in carton. After unpacking, you can see a host, a label, 2 discs, a toolkit, a coding machine source. Fix the label plate support rod. Place the label plate and labels in order and fix them. It is completed that the label plate rotates with label when the label is pulled. Labels should be installed according to the steps in the video. Please note that the labels should be as smooth as possible when crossing the labels. Loosen the setting screw. Cross the labels as shown in the video. Finally, tighten the screw. Simple schematic diagram of crossing the labels. Put through power supply. Press the handle to test the position of the label. There are too many labels in the video. First, adjust the sensor sensitivity. Press T for 3 seconds, until the red light begins to blink. Then drag the label gap back and forth in the sensor sensing position for a few seconds, until the red light ends and the sensor starts to work. Then adjust the position of the sensor to adjust the position of the label. After the adjustment, press the handle to test the position of the label. The extra 2 to 3 mm of the label position shall prevail. Coding machine adjustment. First, connect 3 joints. There is a positioning misplaced structure, according to the structural specifications to connect. Make sure the ink ribbon passes through the sensor. Take out the printing head. Install it according to the required characters. Fill in the extra position with blank characters. Tighten the screws to fix the characters. Put the printing head back on the printer. Remember to turn the handle so that the printing head can be fixed on the printer. Turn on the power and press the test button to check where the coding machine prints and labels. Loosen the screws on both sides of the coding machine to adjust the front and back positions of the coding machine. Loosen the screw of the coding machine, and the left and right positions of the coding machine can be adjusted. The temperature is adjusted to 200 C, and it can start to work after heating for about 5 minutes. Labeling demonstration.